In this video, we'll show you how BigIQ is used to license BigIP devices in the subscription model. So this assumes that your BigIQ has been set up already. So your BigIQ has a reg key on it and it's been activated for license management. And also you have a load SKU that's been activated and is ready to go. So first log in. And we should be able to go to Device tab and click Licenses, and we see our license subscription here that's in the activated state. These are the set of SKUs that have been already activated. So say, for example, I'd like to license a BigIP with this SKU here. I go ahead and click on that. I click License Devices, and I enter the IP address of the device I'd like to license, and I enter the admin username and password. The unit of measure should be only one. There should be yearly when we have this done, so that'll be set to a single choice. Then you click Assign. It'll give you a warning that says any license that was previously granted will be replaced. And now BigIQ is pushing a license to BigIP. And once BigIP receives it, services are restarted, the license is installed, and the operation is complete. So in this case, now BigIQ 6411 is licensed with this offering, AFM 200 meg. If I want to take a look at what assignments I have, I can go to the assignment screen here. You can see that here's the one that we just licensed. And I also have another one that I've licensed with the 25M1. Now let's say I'd like to change the license for this one. I've decided that I need to upgrade it to AFM 200 meg. I can go ahead and check it, click change license. I can go ahead and pick the new license that I want. So I find the AFM 200 meg. I go ahead, give it the admin username and password. Unit of measure will be limited to yearly, and I go ahead and click assign, and it'll go ahead and change this license. Now you can see that the .10 device is now licensed with the 200 meg variation. When a BigIP is no longer needed, you can revoke the license. You can select one or more to do the revoke. In this case, I'll revoke it from a single device .11. So I check this here, I click revoke, and I go ahead and provide the admin username and password. Again, we don't persist these because these can change due to password policies. And I go ahead and click revoke. And what this does is remove the license from BigIP. Now the last part we'll show you is reporting. So for reporting, you'll want to go to the Devices tab and then click Licenses, and then go ahead and click Report. The next step is you want to click Utility Report right here, and then you want to take the utility license and move it to the selected side. And there's two options you get to choose from. Generate and automatically submit a report to F5. So this will be done to api.f5.com. So BigIQ needs to be able to resolve that host name and then create a secure connection and go ahead and push that work to the report to api.f5.com. Or it goes ahead or you can go ahead and do the manual submission. In this case is used when your BigIQ does not have internet access and cannot send data to api.f5.com. In this case, a JSON report is downloaded to the desktop, and then you'll need to manually send that to F5. So in this case, we'll do the generate and automatically submit report to F5. Click submit. When done, you'll get an acknowledgement saying it was complete. Now, the manual report process, again, you click report, move this over to here, click utility. Oops, sorry, I should have done that in reverse. And go ahead and click generate, and then you click the download button here, and then you will get a report that's been downloaded here. You go ahead and open this report up and attach this to an email and submit it, and the rest happens by F5. That's it for this part of the BigIQ operation.